Hey guys, and welcome back. Let's see in this video operational dashboard in Maximo Application Suite. Okay, it started in version 8.9 and updated in 8.10 and later versions. So let's see it for the first time. Okay, you will see these cards here: inbox, assignment, work view, quick action, favorite. Okay, this operational dashboard, I think, will replace our start center in the future. Okay, now you couldn't do anything here. Select to update it or edit it and add your card. So it's related to Maximo Application Framework and this exists on Docker in your container. So let's see first value card. Let's add this value. Card title will be test card, for example. Test subtitle. Test over. Then we'll go to advanced. Here you should select your data source. Okay, so we'll select this person data source. Okay, select the field like display name to get your name here and select this value, phone, for example. Okay, unit money, label money, unit USD, then save your work. It will get this card here. You could drag and drop it anywhere you want. Okay, so I think it's awesome feature here will be updated in the next version. Okay, you could update it as you want. So select instead of phone, for example, location. Try to save it. Okay. You could also update it as you want. So that depends on this data source. So I think it's an awesome feature here. Okay, that's all guys. See you there. Thank you.